kushohoza ebigezo bya primoke bya dinare yibanda ebirokorwa hansi y'ambarra archdiocese kukorirwa ha parish yibanda kandi byebembirwa by'ubwegese korwa muri mbarra archdiocese na district yibanda. Abeje mitware 2057 nabo bashitamire bigezo bikanda hari yaba igana 36 biziro mu idara ryo kubanza rushanje 20 biziro muri ya kabiri abasigara biziro mu idara rya kanana yu.
The grading was lessened because of the poor performance, an indicator that if they could have gone by the other previous grading would have like 70-80% failing.
Omuparishi mushanju za dinare yibanda amashomero 96 ngo gakozere bigezo ebi kandi amashomero agabantu buntu gakozere kurunji okusinga garuko yambweho government.
The performance here, the private sector is still beating us down. Am I deceiving? We need to check ourselves. What's wrong with us? What is failing us to achieve to the expectation of the public? Don't we have what it takes to perform like the way they are performing?
I was demoralized by the results of last year period. 21 in Division U in the whole parish. Just around 7 schools, 21 Division U. When I compared with the district results, the district had 18 Division U. The whole district, 91 schools.
The DO and the other speakers will talk about it. If you look at the number of the ungraded learners, the number has gone high. Ungraded numbers. The grade U.
Okutako ebigezo ebi diocese yambara nebane shizima hamwe no kutebekanisa beji okora PLE.
Failure is only permanent if we give up. But sort of that, it is a challenge. If you say, even if I try hard, this school will resign. That is that when you call it a failure.
Omuparishi mushanju eyabo bare niye yebembire zinde rukora terwe yanyabushye kandi yishongoro niye shembere. Omugande minyeta habwe cyanga cya burenge bwizoba barahiro kuronda bebembeza barabajwe cerenke minyeto kandi bakamanya bizubu byabo.
But able, I can speak, I can talk for you, I can raise issues for you in Parliament. Once you send me there or once you choose me, or if we decide to work together.
Ebegambiro ubwo abesimbiro kujwekera iminyeta hande ngo zitari zumwe na zumwe ubabire nibe murikira delegates okubaronda.
I want to go and lobby what is there for us the youth and bring them back home and bring them back to the youth of Western Uganda so that we see how to can ntoyamba tuta.
Ombinta binyorekerire gukora ikintu cyo kubanza no keepinga NRM Youth League active. Kandi n'abaninkozesa media nka publicity secretary umurimo go nimbasa gutambuza muno.
This time around twenda turonde youth MP ora gumena zo parliament kandi akakarika hansi kandi ikindi cya kandi or informed because information is very paramount. No abantu ba discussing a policy affecting a youth. Konkore ba youth MP is not at the forefront of such a policy in parliament.
Gashakwa Timothy Mushabe na Sheikh Abdulatif.